I rarely eat fast food.
我很少吃快餐。
I rarely eat fast food. I rarely drink soda.
我很少喝汽水。
I rarely drink soda. I rarely cook at home.
我很少在家做饭。
I rarely cook at home. I rarely go shopping.
我很少去逛街。
I rarely go shopping. I rarely travel these days.
我最近很少旅行。
I rarely travel these days. I rarely wake up late.
我很少睡懒觉。
I rarely wake up late. I rarely drive to work.
我很少开车去上班。
I rarely drive to work. I rarely use cash.
我很少用现金。
I rarely use cash.